Can apple cider vinegar melt belly fat? Spoiler, yes, but only if you use it right. While apple cider vinegar is famous for balancing pH, boosting digestion, and even improving skin health, today we are zeroing in on its proven power to torch stubborn fat. We are unlocking the exact science of how apple cider vinegar burns fat, suppresses appetite, and supercharges metabolism. Plus a 30-day protocol backed by research and real-world success. Let us dive in. Part 1. The Fat-Burning Mechanism, Science Simplified. Apple cider vinegar's acetic acid does not just balance pH, it triggers AMP-activated protein kinase, your body's fat-burning switch. Cites Bioscience Reports 2016. AMP-activated protein kinase tells your cells to burn stored fat for energy, not sugar. But there is more. Appetite suppression. Acetic acid slows stomach emptying, keeping you full longer. Journal of Functional Foods 2018. Blood sugar control. Apple cider. Vinegar reduces insulin spikes by 34% after meals. Diabetes Care 2004. Stopping fat storage. Liver fat reduction. Studies show apple cider vinegar lowers triglycerides and liver fat in obese rats. Journal of Agricultural Food Chemistry 2019. Ever crave carbohydrates after a meal? That is insulin crashing. Apple cider vinegar stabilizes blood sugar, killing cravings fast. The 30-day apple cider. Vinegar protocol step by step. Here is exactly how to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss. No guesswork. Phase 1. Days 1 to 7. Detox and prep. Morning, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar plus 1 teaspoon lemon juice plus 12 ounces water on an empty stomach. Before lunch, eat your dinner. Repeat apple cider vinegar drink. Why? Prepares your gut, reduces bloating, and kickstarts metabolism. Phase 2. Days 8 to 30. Fat-burning mode. Morning, 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar plus 1 teaspoon lemon plus 1 pinch cinnamon, boosts insulin sensitivity, plus 12 ounces water. Before meals, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar and water. Night, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar plus 1 teaspoon raw honey and herbal tea to curb late-night cravings. Use a straw to protect tooth enamel from acid. Always dilute apple cider vinegar. Never drink it straight. Pair with high-fiber meals, for example salads, chia pudding, to enhance satiety. 3. Supercharge results. Apple cider vinegar combos and hacks. Pair apple cider vinegar with these to double fat loss. Ceylon cinnamon slows carbohydrate absorption. Add 1/4 teaspoon to your apple cider vinegar drink. Apple pectin binds to fat cells, blocking absorption. Nutrition Journal 2015. Sea salt balances electrolytes, preventing fatigue during fasting. The fasting hack. Drink apple cider vinegar plus salt water during intermittent fasting. The acetic acid keeps you in ketosis longer, burning fat for fuel. Exercise boost. Pre-workout apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon in water, increases fat oxidation by 27%. European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2020. Try it before cardio. 4. Mistakes that ruin results. Mistake 1. Using cheap filtered apple cider vinegar. Always choose raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. It has fat-burning enzymes. Mistake 2. Drinking apple cider vinegar too late. Take it 15 minutes before meals to block starch absorption. Mistake 3. Ignoring diet. Apple cider vinegar will not save you from pizza binges. Pair it with a low-sugar, high-protein diet. The potassium warning. Overdoing apple cider vinegar, more than 2 tablespoons per day, can lower potassium, causing cramps. Balance with leafy greens or avocado. Remember, apple cider vinegar is not magic. It is science. Pair it with smart habits, and you will see that scale drop. Drop an apple in the comments if you will try this, and please share your fat loss strategies in the comment section. Subscribe for part 2 where I will debunk apple cider vinegar detox myths. Thanks for watching.